Hello there, my friends. This is the Good AAA PNW31 solar power bank with hand crank generator. And we're going to put the lanyard attachment on here, right? So basically this comes with, it's included in the price. Got a little mini kind of carabiner here. And this thing locks, which is nice. So that's pretty cool. So you can snap this onto your belt or your backpack, lock it up. You don't have to worry about it. So right here, you're going to get your fingernail in there. And if you don't have a fingernail, use a small screwdriver, right? And I'm going to take it from this side. And basically, see that little hole there? We're going to put this into there. So we're going to take the one. How are we going to do this? Let's do it like... Actually, I think we're going to do it this way. Let's take the one that's lowest to the bottom, like that. Yep. Thread it through like so. And twist. And twist. And twist. And twist. Like that. Now, you got a way to like carry this hands-free, and it's pretty sturdy. So, all right, guys, if you have any questions about this wonderful little solar bank, let me know. There'll be a description box down below. We'll have a link to how to buy it, and I'll see you all in the next one. Be safe out there. Peace.